All right, guys, we're doing a 23-24 Prizm basketball. This is a blaster box, and it's Ram Team's blaster box number 99. Two lucky participants in this break are going to win entry into our Ram Team's case of 2021 Panini 101 basketball. It would be chasing top rookies like Anthony Edwards, Tyrese Maxey, Tyrese Halliburton in there, and some others. All right. I'm going to post box break 100 for you guys after I'm done with this break for you. Roll the die will determine how many times we randomize the list of participants and teams for this box break. Once your teams are drawn out, we'll open up the box, show off the goods, and then after that, back to the randomizer, determine which two participants win the 101 spots. All right, here we go. Good luck. 2 clicks again. And this 2 seems to be popping up already. Second break of the day, both times twice. All right, upshot bottom, KHM Wong up top. Here we go. Once, twice. All right, Cobia Finder top, Justin Sesmat bottom. Beg pardon. Blazers top, Wizards bottom, 2 clicks. Once, twice. Alrighty, Jazz at the top, Warriors at the bottom. All right, Cobia Finder, Jazz, Knicks, Timberwolves, Gillard, Stevens, Suns, Nuggets, Henline Hobbies with the Rockets, Herpy, Wizards, Jeff Beck, Blazers, Justin Sesmat, Mavericks and Warriors, JW Pop, Pistons and Hawks, Kazu Laker, Cavaliers, KHM Wong, Bucks, Lakers, Celtics, Raptors, Heat, Thunder, Grizzlies, Magic, Hornets, and Nets. Ryota Fujino, Kings and Spurs. Touche with the Clippers and Sixers. Upshot with the Pelicans, Bulls, and Pacers. Jason Williams, green wave. Ed Suma, green. Trae Young, green wave. Steph Curry, silver. Nice. Instant Impact, Jalen Hood, Shafino, and Obi Toppin, green wave. So we ain't got much in the way of any color rookies, but we did find a silver Steph. All right, back to the randomizer. Excuse me. 3 additional clicks. After click 3, the owners of the first 2 teams on the list win their way into that 101. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. All right. Pacers and Spurs belong to Upshot and Ryota Fujino. Let's see. Upshot and Ryota. All right. You guys are locked in. All right, that'll do it for this box, guys. I'll post box break 100 momentarily. I'll ward out another couple of spots towards that 101 case. Thank you guys for watching and joining in on this break. Until next one.